friends, I am in Lulung Aranya Nivas, which is situated in the Simplifal forest of Odisha. In this video, I am going to give you the room tour in which I stayed in here. Come, let me take you along. Let's enter inside. Once we enter, this is the kind of partition which faces the door, and next to the door is the luggage unit where you can keep all your things, and then there is a study desk and a chair. Underneath is a dustbin, and if we see on top, there is a shelf where some decorative items are kept. Look at this looks so beautiful. This is wood, and on top of it glass is fused to make a flower vase, and this is a terracotta figurine and some monkeys dancing about. See the beautiful baby monkey dancing, and on top of the table we have the Lulung Aranya Nivas booklet and the snacks menu and a Bhagavad Gita and some cookies. Let's see what's in the drawer. Nothing. And this side is the bed. This side of the side table, there is a table lamp, and if we go to the other bedside table, there are some water bottles, glasses, telephone, and a notepad with the extensions of reception, restaurant, and security. Let's see what's inside. Nothing in the drawer. And this is the other bed, and here there is a table lamp again, and here is a clothes horse where you can keep your used clothes, hang your clothes basically. And if we are to see, this side is a sit out kind of setup where there is this two-seater sofa on one side and a center table, and on the other side is a single seater. Opposite is a TV stand with TV remotes and AC remote and a TV, and there is a decorative display unit on top of which is a terracotta figurine. Now let's go here, the other side. Here is the coffee unit, teas, coffee, beverages unit. You have a flask, some tea cups, coffee, tea, sugar, and such. And below that you have this, which opens to the minibar. Currently nothing inside the minibar. Let's close this up. This doesn't close so nicely. And here is a full length mirror. And here, the other side, is a wardrobe. There is a locker inside the wardrobe, and laundry bags and bath towels. So if I have to give a 360-degree view of the room, starting from the main door, let's see what's in the bathroom. So once you enter, there's a full length mirror. There's a mirror, there's a painting here, a towel rack, wash basin, and toiletries. Below is the tissue holder and more toiletries, a hair dryer, dustbin, commode, and the bath area. Love the window design and towels here. There is a geyser here. Soap, shower, and the bucket. Let's do a 360 of the bathroom as well. Let me close the bathroom. I'm doing up and down also so that I cover everything. Oh, look at this small cute little planter. It's made of ceramic, but it's so small. It looks cute on the windowsill. Hope you all liked watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos, because I keep traveling. Thank you for watching.